Hi, did you call?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
Oh, yeah. It's got the good weather coming out there.
What's up, Pope?
You have the printout? All of them? Turn on the light.
No, that's sweet. It's good.
Let me get into the other one. I don't know if I can pull them up. I recorded them as sexual insulting. So, this has been going on. Tonight we got explicit sexual pictures. I don't know if I can bring them up anymore. Inbox 6. Where in the heck would be? Everything's been news, more. Maybe? No. I don't know what happened to some of them. They're all coming from the same IP address.
Okay.
They had naked men on there.
Okay.
In the nasty. Had quite a few of them. So I reported them.
Mm-hmm.
I can't find them now. I'm sorry. I'm hurting.
Well, they may have taken them off to report them. I don't know.
Yeah, that's normally how it works.
That's how it works?
Yeah.
I thought it was like just. I'm sorry.
You're right.
Oh, wait, spam. Here it is.
Yeah. So.
But the IP address are all coming from the same one that Harry Dog uses that's been harassing me from Florida.
Okay.
All different names, all kinds of stuff. We've reported. Now, they threatened us on live the other night. The cops came out with anthrax against his mother's 91. She's in the hospital with pneumonia. She had cracked her back or something like that.
Mm.
And they doxed his sister's number and address and stuff. They doxed ours.
Yeah.
We're sorry. I can't fight. I'm going in for cancer surgery on the 29th. I can't take any more of this. They say I'm lying. I need to post proof of it. The CAT scan.
So.
Oncology report, everything.
Okay.
Now what they've done is one of these. I'm sorry, my legs are swollen. They're hurting. One of these. Okay, it says I'm Bart. I don't know who this is. I tried to look. I hope you enjoy my videos. I haven't even went there. Tony. Okay, I'll knock you out, you stupid fat, whatever. Okay.
They've got a guy by the name of Chance Wilkins. He's from supposedly from Akron, Ohio.
Mm-hmm.
And
he's saying he's FBI and he's with Hell's Angels and all kinds of stuff. And what they're doing is they're putting on. This is so stupid. I've been fighting for 2 days, but they got me almost 4,500 views in 48 hours.
Yeah.
YouTube's loving that.
Yeah.
And I say, God bless you, Merry Christmas, may Jesus forgive you. And they stop bothering me today. Just a few,
Yeah, so you're gonna have people like this.
Huh?
If you're gonna keep going live and doing stuff, you're gonna have people like this. What's the word for them?
Trolls.
Yeah, exactly. They're trolls.
Oh yeah, they're trolling. But what they did is this Chance Wilkins' mother put on Craigslist that if you like her video, she'll give you a free refrigerator.
Well, we don't know if it's his mother or him, but supposedly his mother.
Yeah. And then
we got all these people come in.
Like
this. What I got is here. This is Harry Dog IP address. That's where almost everything's going at. Now this is a VPN. It's going through Midland, California. or something like that. Midville, whatever. We went on live one night. Kim and Harry, Wolf and I, we made friends.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? I got this. I showed the other officers the other day. And talk about people sending me stuff. Everybody's sending me proof of this, proof of that.
Mm-hmm.
But this is what the guy told me. And let me see if I can bring it up. I got all kinds of stuff on here. My epoxy and all that. Okay, thank you. That's one. But this guy right here is an orthon.
Okay.
He uses Keith Orthon, and he says his name's Norton. He's going to pull some kind of karate stuff on me. He's coming down here. So I showed them. I said, do y'all know who this is? Now, this is Harry.
Okay.
Okay, that sorted it. There's Kim. You look in the corner. Kim says, no, we don't know him. Harry says, no, that's not my brother. Then Kim says, wait a minute, Harry, that is your brother. Well, he comes out and stands in the photo. Not the photo, I just clipped it. This is him. That's Harry. That is his brother.
Okay.
So it's from Florida.
Why are we here right now?
Well, the sexual pictures and stuff like that. How can I report them?
Whoever controls the emails and all that will actually...
Email.
Yeah, well, so I guess Google.
I did.
Well,
I contacted Google. Google says, print it out, show it to them. You need another report. I said, I got 5 or 8 already.
Well, it's not a crime. We're not going to keep coming to reports for crime and stuff.
That's what I said. But that's why I called and told her, look, this is what's happening. Do y'all need to come out?
No.
So,
I know that.
Yeah, we don't.
But she sent y'all out.
So as long as you keep like you going live and all that, social media, there's always gonna be someone.
I know that. I know that.
You gotta expect
but that's where my business is at.
I get it, and you're just gonna have to kind of deal with these people. And
but you know what? Like I told the lady, I said, I don't think y'all can do anything about this. She says, let me send an officer out so they can see the pictures. I don't want to keep calling y'all out.
Just keep reporting them.
Okay, they threatened anthrax to send to his family members. We went to report it. We had an argument. We didn't finish going to report it. But cops came out that night and they saw it. And they gave me a number.
People can say whatever they want to on social media and internet like this. It's not nothing that we can get involved in anymore.
It really, honestly, it helps you out. Like when people start the trolls, it brings other people to view your things, which help you.
And that's why I went from 500 something to 905.
That's what I'm saying. It helps you. But
yeah. But do you believe he said he's traveling to Arizona? He's going to pass through Lake Charles. He's going to get us.
Well, if you see him or anything like that, let us know. We'll try to come out for that. But other than this, with anything online, there's nothing we can do.
I know that. And I told her, I said,
you're in a world where it's going to be your fault.
Right.
So,
Now, YouTube is coming down with a lot of new things. People are now using AI bots.
Mm-hmm.
And they're doing this voice stuff.
Yep.
On email, on phones.
You can't believe anything's right or true anymore.
I know, you can't.
But.
And, they're putting up some nasty stuff.
Well, just keep reporting them, okay? Because we got to go.
Okay, thank you.
All right, y'all be safe.
Y'all have a Merry Christmas.
You too. Merry Christmas.
That's why I told you, I don't think y'all needed to come out.
No, we don't. Merry Christmas. Yeah, man.
You remember Jordan?